Yo guys, hope you're doing well. My last video was about how to recover data from a formatted or accidentally deleted drive. Today I'm going to cover the same topic but from the opposite side. How to format a drive properly so nobody can recover your data back. Basically, this method is useful whenever you want to sell a hard drive. So before that, you can wipe it properly and make sure no one can recover anything. Alright, before starting, I would suggest checking out my last video where I explain how recovery methods work, which will help you understand everything better. Anyways, right now, first of all, I'm going to open Recovery Fox AI to show the scanning result. In my last video, I pasted some files inside the USB, like images, music, zip files, etc., just to demonstrate. Even though the drive is currently formatted, the data recovery scan still shows all those files inside it. I'm not going to recover them right now because I already demonstrated that in the previous video. Now, let me wipe the USB drive properly, since a formatted drive still contains data that you can recover later. And again, I'm telling you, you must watch my previous video. Anyways, open CMD as administrator. Now, there are a few commands that we will apply here. The first command is DiskPart to get inside the DiskPart tool. After that, we will type our second command, list disk, which basically shows all physical disks here. Now, next command is select disk X, but carefully we will check out the disk size. In my case, 28 gigabytes is the USB drive, which is disk 2. So type 2 and hit enter. Now, finally, we will type clean all. It's important. Basically, all means it overwrites every sector with zeros. If we type only clean, it won't wipe out the disk, and you can still recover the data using a recovery tool. This will take time depending on USB speed and the port you're using. I'm going to pause my video here, but you can note down the time to see how long it takes. By the way, you can also use wipe tools that do it a little bit faster maybe. After this, you will get these messages once it's finished. Now type create partition primary and then format fs equals fat32. Quick. Oh, by the way, I will write all these commands in the description as well, so you can copy them from there. Anyways, lastly, we will assign a letter so it shows up in the drive section in Explorer. So type assign and hit enter. After that, just type exit and hit enter to close DiskPart. And once again, the same command to close CMD. That's it. Now, if I try to use Recovery Fox AI again, it will show nothing because the drive is empty. And when you scan an empty drive, it will show something like unwritten drive disk space found, which is a sign that the drive is totally wiped out or new, and there's no data left inside it. That's it. I hope you would love this tutorial. It's easy. And if you accidentally delete something, then I already covered that topic in my previous video. The link is mentioned in the description. You can check it out and let me know your feedback. Till then, take care. Bye.